Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an audio visualizer in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I've added a music track to my timeline. Go to the Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag a Fusion composition into the timeline. Now adjust the Fusion composition length to match the music. Now select the Fusion composition and open the Fusion page. Add a background node and connect it to Media Out. Add another background node, then connect its output to the output of the first background to create a merge node. Select this new background and set its color to any color you like. In my case, I'll make it white. While it's selected, click on the rectangle mask icon to add a mask. Select the rectangle mask, increase the corner radius to 1 and reduce the width and height so you get a thin, narrow rectangle. Now select the background node again and press Shift plus space. Search for Duplicate and add it. In the Inspector tab, set Copies to 10, set the time offset to 0.4 so the copies animate with a delay, and slightly increase the center X value. Select the rectangle mask node and reposition it to the center. Right-click on the height property and choose Modify With, then MIDI Extractor. This enables the Modifiers tab. Here we'll need a MIDI file of our music. Go to your browser and search for Convert Wave to MIDI. Open a website called Bare File Converter. The link to the website will be given in the description. On the website, click on Upload, then select your audio file. After the upload is complete, click the Convert button. Once the conversion is complete, download the file. Now close this app and go back to DaVinci Resolve. Click on Browse, then go to the location where you saved your MIDI file. If you can't find the file in your saved location, change the file type to All Files. Now select your MIDI file. Now set Combine Events to Sum and reduce the result scale to fine-tune the animation. Finally, go back to the Edit page, select both layers and link them together. Now let's play it from the start. And that's how you create an audio visualizer in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.